Coronavirus global pandemic had created very big infection problem. Problems are made to break. Introducing foot-operated sanitizer dispenser. It is an easy-to-use device. You can sanitize your hand by simple tap of your foot. How to use the product? Just tap the pedal and get sanitizer in your hands, and just rub it. The product is made up of high-quality steel with superior clinical-grade coating. Industrial design of the pedal makes it more sturdy and long-lasting. Universal nozzle actuator works with all gel and liquid sanitizer heads. Geometrically stabled heavy base. Reclined angle for shoe positioning. Dispenser can fit any type of bottle, from small, medium, and large. Even the smallest size. It can be used in factories, shopping malls, shops, hospitals, construction sites, corporate and IT offices, car service centers, and even in your home.
Delivery available during lockdown period also. Order now